Hey editors, what's up? Today we have show you how to make this trending like outro. So let's start. Go into Pixllab. Go to text and type. Go to font and select your font. Go to color and select red. Select transparent and export. Then go into Capcut. Click on new project and select black photos. Clip length 1.9 second set, the black photo. Then go to overlay and select a photo. Then go to remove BG and remove the background. Again, add the black overlay. Go in the mask and select mirror and invert it. Add a keyframe at start and select feather at 28. Hide the overlay at start and then again slide it opposite side and select graph linear. Create effect glow 2 and add keyframe and adjust it and adjust the brightness of video. And export the project and select a new project and select the outro. Create effect and select shake, select into all object and add keyframes and adjust it. Select the linear. Go to adjust and full, the dot sharpen and clarity dot, then export it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.